eyes like hellfire ember. She moves where angels fear to tread. Midnight strikes, claws unsheathed. From the crypt she leaps beneath. With a hiss she splits the veil. 9 lives, 1 lit up box from hell. Eva, the black metal cat, spits bile and fury and a little biscuit. From a furry ass she reigns supreme. All demonic candies in your darkest dreams. Both dipped in ashes, she scratches the walls, summoning spirits with sulfuric coals. She feasts on kibble, drinks from the void, then marks your carpet like a demon employed. Behold, the throne of letters she never seen, foul blood of chaos lies steaming in your sheets. Eva, the black metal cat, hair full of Satan in a feather stopped hat. No priest can purge the evil she's done. Where rectum times in corrupt tongues.